Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a room that you have never been in before. This is the kitchen, and in our kitchen we also have a dining room table here. Now when it comes to fall, there are a lot of things that I've never showed you. But today I wanted to show you how to make a centerpiece for your kitchen or dining room table. So this is a black table, and as you can imagine, it has a lot of scratches on it. Black shows everything. So what we're going to start with is a table runner. Now this table runner is actually from Big Lots, and these leaves on here, they kind of have like a velvet feel to them. Now this doesn't go over the edge, which is okay because I don't really care for that kind of look. So what we're going to do first is set our table runner. If it is not centered and you keep going, good luck trying to get it centered after you're finished. Now you can put anything in the center of your dining room table, but a lot of people make the mistake of they make it sort of dense. So when you're sitting across from each other, you can't really see each other. Well, let me show you what I got this year. Now these did come in a set together, but do you see how they're translucent so you can see through them? These are so beautiful. Let me show you why. They actually come with these mini lights. Now, you've seen me use these in Christmas decorating, but how fun is it to be able to use these for another holiday? Now here's the fun part with these lights. You don't exactly have to be perfect with them, although even though I have OCD, I still try to get them as perfect as possible. So all you do is just kind of stuff them in there and let them do their own thing. Okay, so now we got those filled. Now, the doorway is over there. I don't want this pumpkin to block this one, so I'm actually going to take these and switch them around. Alright, well that is, I think, pretty beautiful. However, it doesn't look finished to me. So, what I'm going to do is, I went to the dollar store, and they have these really pretty leaves that have glitter in them. Now, at nighttime, whenever these pumpkins are on, they are going to reflect off of the glitter, which I love. So what I'm going to do is just take this and literally make a figure 8 with these leaves. Alright, I'm all finished. I love how this turned out. It's not too Halloween-ish. It's not too Thanksgiving-ish. So really, you could put it up at like the middle of September and leave it up until after Thanksgiving. Alright, thank you so much for watching. As always, subscribe down below because Christmas is coming. I won't say anymore. Let me just show you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today we are going to start planning for Christmas 2018. No joke, it's here. The holiday season has arrived. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.